makes me feel like the empty part of my heart is filled whenever I'm playing music.
Whenever I feel sad or down, I just put on my headphones, listen to music, and I sing my heart out. It makes me feel really happy, and it gets me to express my feelings.
Hi, I'm Tom Haste. I'm a specialist music teacher at Lakelands Senior High School. We have Timothy Nelson in running some songwriting sessions with our students, and we're really thankful for WAM for contributing to this program.
I think it's really good for people to come together and write music and to start with nothing, and then at the end of that process have something, and they witness the act of pure creation.
Here at Lakeland, we've got a really strong connection with Act, Belong, Commit, and with the songwriting sessions that Timothy Nelson is running, we're exploring those topics quite in depth.
We're trying to find a melody so that we can put some drums and the lyrics to it. Should we do the bass or the melody first? What do you want it to sound like? You don't know.
I'm trying to encourage them to think about stories they know, friends of theirs or their own experiences with mental health that can be the launching pad for writing a song. How would you, if you were trying to pick apart how they make their sound, what's going on?
Sad.
I feel like they pick a feeling, like an emotion first, and they build on that emotion.
And what kind of instruments are they usually leading with?
It's the guitar mostly.
Yeah.
Very guitar-y?
We're trying to find something
To make
these words and make it into a song.
Dragging myself down every chance that I get. I'm sick of all the debt, and I don't care what you want. Just like 4 chords.
I'm Isabella Margaret Bourne, and this is...
I'm Samara Hancock.
We come from Lakelands Senior High School. We started just working on the music, seeing what rhythm we can build, and we just thought of some lyrics, writing down in our notebooks, just some little notes. And then we started pulling the pieces together, changing the lyrics, and then we just pulled up the song.
That's kind of what you did, wasn't it? Yeah.
I'm really excited that the kids are getting to explore songwriting in a bit more depth than what we usually do in the classroom. We do have a lot of music theory to cover and performance sort of strategies, so actually getting to emotionally open up with some songwriting is a really important thing for young people. A lot of the time in high school, kids go through a lot of stuff, and there's a stigma about talking about mental health. And by opening up with songwriting, it's a very easy avenue for students to talk about the mental health and explore different topics and ideas around it.
We just brainstormed like ideas and we worked on them and we took things out that we thought went great and then we added things in that we thought could work. It could be about like a thought process that a person has, or finding like a way to feel better. Sounds so good.
Yeah, sounded cool.
We're doing a good job.
Yes! Well done.
I feel really good. I feel really good about it. It's almost like venting, but like it's sort of different. It's like good.
It's exciting to hear the song come to life. I saw a lot of students that were a little bit unsure about how they were going to go immediately step up.
It's not the easiest thing to let go, but I'm not giving up. I'm holding on just a little bit longer. I've committed to find a place where I'm stronger. I need to find my own way and make a brighter day. So despite all the pain, I'm holding on a little longer. I'm holding on a little longer.
think it's been just fun seeing all the kids bring forward all their various ideas. They all got heavily involved in the lyrics more than anything. You see them get more and more excited about the process of songwriting and then see it come to life.
Too hard to shoulder the weight of everything because no one I knew could relate. But now I see that I was never really alone, and so my darkest days have gone away.
It feels really good to be able to perform in front of other people. Although I may be nervous, I was nervous. It was really, really good. I did forget my first 2 lines, but I think overall we did really well.
To find a place where I'm stronger, I need to find my own way and make a brighter day. So despite all the pain, I'm holding on.
It was kind of hard in the beginning, but once you got all your ideas down on the page and you've got a dream and an idea that you want to make a reality, if you just keep pushing to reach your goals, you can do it.